What's going on, guys? Another episode. We're here and we're actually going to be working on a BMX bike that I just recently bought. I've always wanted one, but I've never actually just decided to buy one. So I saw a good deal, so I went up and got it. Here it is. Really beat up. Pedals need to be replaced. No tires or tubes. It's gonna be a great project. As you can see, the bike is really beat up. It doesn't have anything on it besides the rims and the actual frame. I actually order the grips, I order some pedals and a lot of other stuff. So let me show you guys what I got, and as always, the link for everything is going to be down in the description. So let's go check it out. So here we go. We have some pedals right here. I just got the Odyssey pedals. Really not expensive. Just keep in mind, guys, that this is a budget build. It's also for beginners. I want to start getting into it, but I'm really not good at it. So here's the chain, cheap chain, and here are the grips. Vans, really good grips from what I've heard of, and really not that expensive. And then we have the seat post in. So yeah, guys, we are gonna be installing those right now. I'm gonna check that the bike, everything is okay with it. One thing that I wanted to mention, the seat post, for some reason, if you actually buy it shorter, it's more expensive than if you just buy it longer. So what I did is I just bought it longer, and then I'm just gonna cut it. All right, so this is the seat post that I got. As you guys can see, it's way too long. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be cutting it. That way it's not as heavy on the bike and it looks better, I guess. Well, you're actually not gonna be able to see this. But let's get to cutting. Gloves, safety first. Alright, so first of all, let's start taking everything off the bike that we're not going to be using. So let's get to it. Also, I forgot to mention, someone that watches the videos actually donated this. That we're gonna be installing on that. Also, I forgot to mention I got some tubes, but I mean I don't have the tires yet, so this useless. Huh? Nice pedals. So it is installed. Alright, guys, so like I said, pedals, check. Grips. Alright, guys, so these are the Vans Colt grips. I actually, when I saw them on Amazon, because this is where I got everything from, they actually had different colors. They have like orange, red, black, and this color. And I actually really like this color. Like, really like. I don't know if you can actually see. Yep, you can see. Cool. But yeah, let's get some soapy water and let's get to installing. Alright guys, so you just get a little bit of soap and you mix it with water, and then what you just want to do is just like get your fingers wet and put it on the actual bars. You get the grip and you just slide it on. You're gonna need a hammer. Preferably a rubber hammer, but I ain't got none, so but yeah, it looks pretty good. Now let's repeat the same thing on the other side. Actually, the grips move a lot because the water hasn't dried yet, so once that dries they shouldn't be moving as much. Here it is. I gave it a clear coat just to protect it a little bit and give it that shiny look. But let's replace the bolts and let's get to it. So let me show you guys. It has 2 screws and then 4 right there. This is what actually connects to the actual frame of the bike, and then this 4 right here hold the actual handlebars. So I'm just taking the screws out. So what you want to do when you're putting the piece on, you want to make it straight with the forks. Alright guys, so that's how it looks. Doesn't look really bad, right? And that's with the bars. Bars are on. I am super stoked for this, like super stoked. So stay tuned, because it is going to be the best budget BMX you have ever seen. Well, maybe not the best one, but you know, high up there. I don't think I mentioned this, but this is actually a Redline Recon, I think, or something like that. From the research that I've been doing, it is actually not a bad brand. Obviously it's not like the best one, but it's a good brand. So yeah guys, probably next video that I'll be doing for the BMX will be the tires. I'll be installing the tires, the tubes, what else? The seat, and I think that's it. Maybe some pegs in the back, I don't know yet. But anyways guys, like always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.